automation is hard, then you don't have a clue about how technology is advancing. I mean, with the revolution of AI, everything is possible. No, not just possible, but easy. There are many tools that can help you to bypass KYC, and some of them are even free or cracked. You can spoof your camera with many tools and inject it with whatever you want. You can easily create as many documents as you want for your KYC journey. And also using deepfake tools, you can create as many videos or pictures you want. This tool, for example, can replace your face with any face you give it instantly and appears as if the person on the videos or pictures you want. This tool, for example, can replace your face with any face you give it instantly and appears as if the person on the picture is on camera. You can bypass head rotation, pronouncing letters and numbers, anything on your mind, but also on any device you want. Big world we are living in these days. If you want to purchase my ebook about how to bypass KYC for real, don't hesitate to text me. KYC is a headache. These platforms want every little detail of your life, but what if I told you there's a way around it? Well, there is, and it's simpler than you think. The first thing you need to do is get your hands on the right tools. Now, I'm not talking about just any tools. I'm talking about cutting-edge technology like document generators, identity spoofers, and AI-based deepfake software that are practically undetectable by KYC systems. Step 1. Spoofing your camera. This is crucial because a lot of crypto platforms ask for video verification. You'll need a tool like OBS Studio to create a virtual camera, where you can inject pre-recorded or even AI-generated footage. This footage can be anything from someone else's face to a completely deep-faked identity. And here's the beauty of it. KYC systems can't tell the difference. Step 2. Creating perfect documents. You can't bypass KYC without fooling the platform's document verification process. But with the right tools, you can generate legit-looking ID cards, passports, utility bills, you name it. And no, we're not talking about sloppy fakes. These are high-quality documents that will pass any platform's initial checks with flying colors. Step 3. Face matching and deep fakes. Here's where the magic happens. Using advanced AI, you can create lifelike videos and photos that match the identity you're spoofing. This means you can pass any face verification, whether it's a selfie with your ID or a live video call. These tools are smart enough to mimic head movements, facial expressions, and even match the lighting, making the fake identity look as real as possible. Step 4. Bypassing phone verification. Some crypto platforms are now stepping up their game by requiring phone number verification. But guess what? You can bypass that too. With virtual phone number generators and SMS spoofing tools, you can create as many verified phone numbers as you need without revealing your real one. Step 5. Final touches: location spoofing. To fully bypass KYC, you need to cover all your tracks. This includes your location data. Most platforms track your IP address, but using a high-quality VPN or proxy service will make it seem like you're accessing the platform from wherever you want to appear. From any country, any region, it's all in your control. And that's it. 5 simple steps, and you're in. No KYC, no hassle, just full access to the crypto platforms you want. The key to success is using the right combination of tools and techniques to ensure you stay undetected and can operate freely in the crypto world. If this sounds like what you've been waiting for, then my ebook has everything you need to dive even deeper into these methods. It's packed with step-by-step guides, the best tools, and all the secrets to bypass KYC for real. So, don't hesitate to get in touch.
Freelance career? Have you been wondering where to begin? Freelance Hub offers a comprehensive online video course for freelancers. Jumpstart and develop your freelance career. Let me introduce myself. I am a freelance video producer based in London. I've worked with clients like Google, Sony Music, HSBC, Vodafone, and Cisco, to name a few. I've been a freelancer for about 10 years now, and during those years, I've learned a lot about how to build and run my one-man freelance business. That's why now, after years of accumulating a fair amount of insight and experience, I want to share this knowledge with people that are developing their own freelance careers today, to help them make a fast and easy start. I will cover everything I personally wish I knew years ago when I started. Where to begin, how to put together a portfolio, how to find clients, how to negotiate budgets, how to manage difficult clients, how to organize and run multiple projects simultaneously, how to manage the legal aspects of your work, how to better organize your time with your day-to-day work and your personal life around it. I've been working on this course for over a year, and I'm delighted to share it with you now.
We're going to be diving into both, actually trying to find out which one brings in more money. So if you're interested in all of that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload videos on how to make money or how to score brand deals. Make sure you comment down below, and if you are a returning subscriber, please do comment down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. I would really appreciate it.